Hey guys, as you can see, back in New Zealand, flew in here to the heart of the Ureweras with the raft at the Nahiramai hut. About to set off now. It's day 2 for us. Go for a bit of a hunt down this next stretch of river, and the next hut's about 10 k's away, so we'll see how we go, eh? Yeah, so we've made it down the first part of the river. We stopped down here to have a bit of breakfast, cup of tea, coffee, empty all the water out of the raft. River level's a bit low, put a couple of holes in the bottom of the raft, filled up with water a bit, but we should be good to make it to the hut tonight. So we've just pulled over here, just down the river a bit further. There's some clearings, so we're going to grab the rifle, have a bit of a look, see if we can find some deer. See how we go, eh? Seen a deer run out from the trees. He's run up and behind all the scrub here. Sam's gonna try and stalk in on it and see if we can get it. Yeah, so we're back from our hunt. We didn't get anything. We saw one deer up there in the clearing. So just come back to the raft and gonna cook up some sausages on the fire. Get back to it, find another clearing to hunt in the afternoon. Yeah, so day 3 for us here in the Ureweras, day 2 for us on the river. It's been pissing down with rain most of the night. We're just packing up now. We're going to go hit the raft. Big clearing down here, Te Ureweras clearing up on the hill. We'll have a look at that for some deer. Then we'll move on down to the next set of huts. So the rain's finally stopped. We checked out a few clearings along the way, but couldn't find any deer. We're now about 1 kilometre away from Whakatane Junction hut. Probably stop there for lunch and work out what we're going to do for the rest of the afternoon. Yeah, so we've had a few tributaries into the river now. You can see it's flowing quite hard. Pretty dirty as well. We're just entering into the last of the public hunting area. So we'll spend a bit of time, glass these last few slips and clearings, and then that's pretty much us in terms of hunting. We'll probably float out of here tomorrow afternoon. Right now we're just on the side of the river going to cook up another feed, and then we'll keep on going. Yeah, so the hunting turned out to be a bit of a dud. It's pretty much been continuously raining since we last spoke to you, last probably 3 or 4 hours. So we got the weather forecast into us on the sat phone, and it's not looking good. Probably a cyclone coming through tomorrow, so we decided we'll get out. Just now as we've pulled over to have another feed, and we probably pulled over 30 minutes ago and all this water here was not here. So the water level's coming up quite fast, so it's probably a good time for us to get out now. So we're at Ruatoki now. We're just going to go down the river for another couple of hours till we get to the main road, and we'll get picked up there. Yeah, so we ended up making it out last night. The river level got way too high for us. I think when we started, the river level was around 100 mils. By the time we finished, the gauge had gone up to 1300. The river was really dirty, lots of debris, some trees and stuff floating down the river. So once we got the cyclone forecast through on the sat phone, we just decided to row straight out. We probably went about 40 or 50 k's on the last day just to get out, but we're out now, and the rain's finally stopped, and it's just a bit windy still. But just to recap, we flew in there. Within the first hour, we'd hooked into 2 fish, a brown and a rainbow, and then from there it just started raining and pretty much didn't stop. The river level rose, it got dirty, we couldn't see fish anymore, so we just resorted to going for a bit of a hunt, bit of a lazy look around, and yeah, seen 1 deer, and that was it. But we're out now, and we know we can do the rafting trip, so maybe next year we'll put a bit more effort in and hopefully knock over a few deer and catch a few more fish.